Alright, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I saw these sitting here next to my normal baseball cards, and it just reminded me so much of my childhood. So I picked them up just to get a good little kick out of them. So they do have some odds on them, I've noticed. Parallels, Fool's Gold, 1 in 45 packs, a printing plate, artist autographs, and sketch cards. So I thought, 22 sticker cards, 2 exclusive faculty lounge stickers. Now, I was looking up the difference between the late to school and horrible, Revenge on the O, the horrible, Revenge of O, the horrible. And one's a 2019 and the other one's a 2020 product. So I think they're different series like that. This one has also odds on it, different than the other pack, but it does have odds. So we'll start with the 2019. It does say there's 24 cards in here. 22 sticker cards plus 2 exclusive classic monster stickers. Look for exclusive green stickers and panoramic sketch cards. So I have no idea what I'm going to be looking at, but I figure, you know what? Probably remind me of my childhood. So I'm going to go ahead and check them out. I do remember all of these things being, oh, look at how crisp those are. Oh, the sticker. Oh, they're a different kind of sticker. Interesting. They used to be a border. Remember back in the day there was a border around them. Zach Early. Interesting. And it says horrible personality sticker 7A of 15. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that. Transformed Tom, 14A of 15. So I'm not sure if there's 30 cards. Oh, Folklore Monster sticker. I wonder if there's different subsets now. These are horror personality, and this is a folklore. Critter Chris, cult horror sticker, Lost Boyd, 80s horror, Rodan, retro horror. I don't even remember anymore. I think maybe retro was first. No, retro was none of them. So retro is its own. It's very interesting. Blake Cula. Retro, Cujo, 80s horror. I'll figure these out later. So this one is starting to peel already. It's kind of interesting. See, that one must have damage on it. It's starting to peel already. I hope they don't peel that easy. Interesting. So we have a purple bordered. I'm not sure why, but it must be purple border. Must be some kind of just a base parallel. So we'll set that there. Scary Carrie, Alien Alan, and now a purple border of Hog Wild. So there must be those, and a green border. Omar Oman, Hurting Hugo, Dead Lee, Shadow Puppet Pete, Suspira Maya, Suspira Myra. Oh, I get it. Horace Host. Oh, that's the mate to this one. Zach Early and Horace Host. 7A and 7B of the horror personality stickers. Walt Street. Slasher film. Biggest fan Anne. Modern horror. Okay, so Upside Down David. Birdie Poop. So I'm seeing not doubles, but the AB variation. Very interesting. So we have a green, a purple, and a purple. So these must be shorter prints of the sticker, or just parallels. Let's see what the other pack yields us. So all of those names that were just said, all are reprints, but I don't remember seeing any of those. So these are all new style. Killed Kyle, Barbed Wire, Zach Early, Transformed Tom, Mirror Mary, Psycho Patrick, Crazed Kathy, Lost Boyd, Rodan. So I'm starting to see doubles. Noah, Visibility, Thud Bud. This one looks interesting. Alien Allen. Oh, it's just different color on top there. Duncan Pumpkin. Daring Argento. Purple Parallel. Sewer Susie. Contest. Jungle Jim. Misty Hayes. Foulmouth Freddy. That looks pretty gross. Maniac Zach. Vanna Vamp. Creepy Craven. Saul. Metal Plate Nate. And a security guard. So I didn't see any interesting variables there. Just a couple color differences. And then some of them had an orange top. I'm not sure if that is a difference. Let me see if there was any orange toppers in here. None of them were. Oh, yeah, there's some orange. So nothing special in that one, I'd say. Just a couple parallels. Let's go ahead and look at the 2020 late for. So there's exclusive purple stickers. That might have been what we saw. Exclusive. Oh, these ones, they do the backs. Oh, great. Remember that. Number 2 Stu. Oh, now they got the card number on the front too. And they do one of the old classic puzzles. Monkey Barb. Doug ate my homework. Telling Zilla. Level Levi. Fountain Forest. Jim Shower. Jerky Jack. Pierce Pressure. Climbing Cleveland. Here's one of our green. What is that? Report card. Student climbing Cleveland. Grades are on the ropes. Need to be roped in and climbing to the top of the class. That's funny. Whittled Wanda. Julio. Dragged Drake purple. A checklist. First Grady report card. Show and Ella. Loose Leaf. Vampy Val. Be Quiet. Hair Annette. Patty Pasty. Monty Hall. Saw Dusty. Catching AZ's. Picture Dave J. Those were kind of funny. So some of them have the old large picture that could be made with multiples of that set. They have the report cards. And then some of them have your classic back or a checklist. And here's what the picture looks like. Another checklist. Those are more like the style I grew up with. Alright, last pack. Let me know if anybody else has gotten anything crazy off these. I like doing new items like this. Suck Up Sasha, Wedgie Winston, Ringing Ringo, Do It Yourself, DIY, Sissy Boomba, Lou Stool, Simple Mindy, Climbing Chloe, Ava LEB, ROTC, green border, Mood Dale, purple border, Rundown Rhonda, Gigabyte, Goth Gabe, green border, Bully Billy, Sharp Penny, Ryder Block, Tudor Tanya, Held Back Hank, and Timmy, Drag Drake, Woody Instrument, Stapled Stew, Class Clown Clyde. Look at the backs real quick. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep doing these crazy openings and just checking out new products so you can make the decision if you like it or not before you have to buy it. So it looks like just those parallels of green or purple. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good evening.